Right. Whip the plugs out so it's easy to turn over. Oh, I don't know if you see them. Nice colour. Bit black on the outside. Cooler plugs and smaller summits. Right, and kick the engine over until my two rockers are level. That'll do. Right, I'll just start off slacking these ones. Ooh. And that middle one's a bit iffy as well. I think I'll end up helicoiling loads of these. Yeah, that one's stripping as well. Right, then these two outer ones, that one and that one, and leave the two bigger ones till last. And then I'll slacken the two main ones. Right, and then with all the bolts out, that should lift off. Yes. Oh. Yeah, destroyed me gasket. And the two push rods. Right, I'll do the same with the other one. Right, got the exhaust off. Right, same thing on these. Roll the engine over with a kickstart until the both the rockers are level. That one's coming up. That'll be it. So rockers are level, and the same thing. I've took the three underneath ones off at that side. Pack these off. And leave the two middle ones till last. And oh, hang on. Right. And with a bit of luck, it should come off. It's off good. Destroyed me gasket. And take the push rods out. Right, I'll pull off any loose bits of gasket. Might drop down. Just roughly you'll do, as long as you get all the loose off. Do. Cut that middle off a bit. The 4 inner ones. and I do them diagonals. And the 4 outer ones. Bloody hell, that's stuck on well. There you mate. Right. Oh shit. Don't forget to take the middle one out. Right. Now these two back ones, sometimes you can get them in and out, but half the time you can't get them in with the head on. So lift the head up a bit and then you whip them out easy. Right, it looks like it's left the pushrod tubes. And there we have a head. Beautiful gasket, yeah, perfect. Oh, look at that one. Compared, oh mind you, they're both the same. Get the shit off. Put the pushrood tubes off. Two rings and what's left of the rubber bits. One ring on that one. Right. Right, I'll just turn the motor over. See if we can see very well. Oh, they're alright then. Right. Barrels off. Right, I should have done this a bit earlier on and drained my gearbox. Yeah, little dribble. Right. There's the gearbox plug. Now there's a small nut in the centre. That's for the level tube. And then the external one is the plug itself. I'm going to drain the oil into a cleanish container again. Just to see what comes out the box. Probably not much, the amount what's been leaking out the kickstart and gear lever. Yeah, it's got trimming. Looks clean. Yeah, there's the level tube. So make sure your drain plug has one of them on. Yeah, that's not bad. Right, let that drain. Right, really, before I take the barrels right off, I'm going to slacken all the nuts on the crankshaft, the cams, take the clutch off, and then I can use the back brake to lock it up. So, take my footrests off. Step ring keys are the best to get into these. This one's the easy side. Now you have to use an open end because of the wrong nuts. There's just not enough room to get a socket in. Right, I might as well slacken this off, take the cable off. Just crack the two nuts off first. Then if I can get the screws. Oh. Oh, they're tight. Oh. Go get the impact driver. Yeah, here we go. Impact driver, seeing that I've got one, might as well use it. It'll twist both ways. Twist it the way you want to turn, so I'm trying to undo this nut. Then hopefully just give it a smack. Or two. The tripod's right in me swing. Now I've got a copper washer on there and a metal washer, and I think I've got the same on the bottom. Should have. Oh, yeah. Right, see if we can get the case off. Now the best way to get these off is to hold the kickstart down, leave the levers on, although I'll have to take them out, and it should move out. There you go, and then the spring pressure's on. Right, I don't know if you can see in here, I'm just going to take the cable off. It's literally in a fork in this, we call this an oak leaf. Just get loads of slack on the cable, push it out the fork. Which is always easier said than done. There you go. Oh, I've screwed that in. And just whip that bit out. You know, when I wish I'd slackened it when it was on the bike. Right, there's no tension on the spring there, it's just starting. One full turn, hold it about that position, and then the case should tap on. Says me. Right, no slacking that. Clutch cable out the way. I might as well leave Right, I just put that case on temporary. Just put it up and wash it on. Right, that'll do. And take off the timing chest. Right, take points cover off. Or in this case, electronic ignition cover. Trying not to get me on too much in the camera. It's lovely and dry in there. Yep. Take the plate off. Disconnect me a couple of wires. Look at them, shit. Guess what's going to get soldered? Just pulled it straight off that crimped end. Them are their crimps as well, I think. Oh no, I think I've crimped them on. Oh well, I'll take the blame. Designed to do that, so it pulls out with this hole easier. My excuse. I put a piece of quarter plastic pipe over the wires where they go through the case. And then pull off the oil pressure light switch. And that one there's the oil pressure release valve. Right. Oh. Right. Yeah, slack. Is that the same size? Yes, it is. Right, slacken the nut off in the middle of the I know Lucas called them a reluctor rotor. Right, I had to do that fast to get that off. Just make sure it's the right bolt. Yep. Small bar. I'll let it go to spanner. And there it is. And there's the bar. Right. God, have I had some hassle with this video editing? Because I'm editing the videos, I'm doing the job. And up to now it's took us 2 days and I've only got the head off. But I was using Windows Media Player. And I think, I read online that there's loads of people having a problem with it. And when I tried to save the movie, it just lost all the files, although they were still there. Anyway, I've acquired Nero, so I'm trying that. But it's a whole new ball game, totally different way of editing. Anyway, you might have seen, I've just uploaded the first one. See how it turns out. Be alright once I get used to it.